Hello everyone, today we're going to Goodwill to find a lamp and turn it into a trendy high-end piece on a budget. I found this lamp for $10.99 and this lampshade in Walmart for $19.88. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make our paper clay for paper mache project as well. I usually make them using egg cartons. I tear them up, pour boiling water over them, and let them soak for a day or two until they're completely soft and easy to blend. Now it's time to reshape the structure the way we want. I didn't like the base of this lamp and wanted a smoother, more seamless look. So I used foam to build the shape I had in mind. I cut the foam into thin stripes to make shaping easier and attached them to the base with white glue until I got the form I wanted. As you can see, I covered the entire surface with white glue. This helps the paper clay stick better. But remember, after applying the white glue, let it dry completely before adding the paper clay. Now I'm using a paper towel to shape the final texture. Now that I'm happy with the structure, I'm moving on to the egg cartons I've had soaking in water. I blend them up well and then squeeze out the extra water. As you can see, it shouldn't be too wet or too dry. Now it's time to add in some flour and white or wood glue. I'm using white glue here. To make paper clay, for every 4 egg cartons, use 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of white or wood glue, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar to prevent mold. Now I'm covering the entire surface with paper clay. There are different ways to apply it, but for this project, I take small pieces of clay, flatten them with my hands, and then stick them to the surface. If you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support my small channel. If you want to make your home look stylish and trendy while keeping it budget-friendly, make sure to subscribe to my channel. We're creating awesome DIY projects here every week. Once you finish applying the clay, let it dry for a few days until it's fully hardened. Once it's completely dry, you can paint it. I used interior house paint, but you can use any type of paint you like. One of the most common options is acrylic paint. I even decided to paint the cable. And here's the final result. What do you think? Does it look good? If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to support me and subscribe my small channel. See you next Tuesday!